Fil-paniku kulħadd mar jixtri l-maskri. Anke PJ id-direttur tagħna xtara waħda. U kif jiġri dejjem Peppi daħal fl-istorja. Imma anke l-maskri spiċċaw, dan raġel pereżempju ma sabx jixtri maskra u ngħeda mod ieħor. U dil-koppja sabu rimedju vera ħelu. Dan miskin fl-aħħar sab jixtri maskra, imma dan ir-raġel li għandu ħanut ta' souvenirs l-Ingilterra sab is-soluzzjoni għal dawk li ma sabux jixtru maskra.
It's obviously very patriotic. It's a Union Jack and it fits perfectly. As you'll see, you just pop it over your face like this. You clip the things behind the ears. It fits over the mouth, over your nose, and then you put your hat on. Voila. They're $3.99 for a set of 3. We haven't got many left, so please hurry while stocks last. Thank you very much.